Hello, fellow people who cannot sit at home. So, I am extremely excited to talk to you about this visit because I had so much fun, like so much fun. And I hope to express how much fun I had in this video. So, about a week ago, I was scrolling through my Instagram and I was surprised to find out there's a very cool building just opened up in Niagara Falls. Because I was going to Niagara Falls already, I did more research and I booked my tickets. So, what this is Niagara Park Power Station. It is pretty much right by the Horseshoe Falls in Niagara Falls. This power station used to be a working power station for about 100 years. It was established in 1905 and it has closed down a few years ago. And now they have remodeled it and welcomed people in to basically learn about the magic that is of turning water into electricity. Very interesting. It's very immersive. There is this cool interactive control panel that also kind of tests you on your knowledge and also teaches you. There's a lot of different turbines and information about Tesla and the other developers of this power station. There is an area over here where I believe they have STEM classes that are included in the entrance. So if you have children, this is for them. Definitely find out. I'm gonna link the website down below. And also in the same area, which is kind of their hallway area, there is a really cool pool that's turquoise color that has the arches basically of the building, which is where the water comes out or comes in. It's very beautiful. There is also a little shop that has lots of different things. And this was pretty much our experience during the daytime. You can take the tour. The tour is going to be a little more expensive. I believe it's about $37 for just the daytime with the tour, but we did not have the time for the tour. And I also suggest that if you're gonna go do this, we came really late. We came at about, I think, 4:30. Try to go here a bit earlier so that you have more time to read everything and explore everything, because I believe they close the area at about 6 o'clock, so you need enough time to kind of walk through. So what we got was the daytime and the nighttime without the tour, which was basically $40. I'm gonna link again all of the information down below so that you can purchase your tickets. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I just really truly enjoyed this experience. So in between the daytime and the nighttime, we were asked to leave and our show was at 7:30. So what we did is we went to this cool Crêpes restaurant. I'm gonna also link it down below. There was some caviar and some smoked salmon, and then we had the ice cream and whipped cream with chocolate. Crepe. It was just great. By the way, I should mention, for the restaurant and for the power station, both of them did require the vaccination proof, so you will need to show that when you are entering. So here is us enjoying the beautiful Horseshoe Falls, and we had such a gorgeous sunset. And here we are coming closer back to the entrance, to the same turbine that I've showed you before. Just from the entrance, you are welcomed with this cool blue projection. I guess there's smoke in the air because what happens is there's just this gorgeous, these gorgeous swirls of light just basically greet you as you walk in. So the lady was very nice and she welcomed us in where we were to wait for the show to start. We came a bit earlier, and here is the first steps inside the show. It is sort of like the water is all around you. It is definitely enhanced by the sounds. And you just walk in and everybody kind of gets inside, and then the door closes. Here's me and my mom, very excited. So here's the last person walking in. The door is closing. It becomes much darker. And what happens is you can see that people are surrounded by the light. So what this is basically effects, the projected effects. They react to your presence. So if you move, they kind of follow you, which is so hilarious and so much fun to just walk around. By the way, for this experience, I loved it so much that I don't want to show you everything. So I'm going to definitely show you some of the most exciting, but the show is about 30 minutes and there's so much in it. It's actually high packed and pretty much wow for the whole thing. So the whole point of the show is really to experience the change from water to electricity. and it really does its job. The creators studio that is called Think Well Montreal, they have done such an amazing job of such high definition, high emotion storytelling that is truly amazing. You are allowed to walk around, but you are asked to keep your distance, your social distance. And what I also loved about the show is that it sort of has a dimension of the feelings, meaning that some of the shots are more darker and a little bit of a scarier vibe, where the other ones are more happy and joyous. And I just love how that is. Over here you can see how they basically created an object, that turbine, starting to move without it actually moving, which was absolutely insane. Here you can see how the lines are attaching to each other, which is so cool because you can move around and the lines follow you. Another thing I loved about the show is that they play around with different things. For example, over here you can see the smoke. And that is the end of the show, at least what I want to show you. The rest you need to go and experience it for yourself. I have a feeling I'm gonna go there again because I loved it so much. So please definitely do go. One last thing I should mention, parking is $10 per hour. If you do, for example, an hour and a half, they will charge you $20. So just watch out for that. For the daytime, we parked right there, but for the evening, we actually parked. There's kind of like a nice botanical garden, and then their parking is about $5 per hour. So I definitely suggest going over there if you're okay walking a little bit of a distance. I hope you enjoyed this experience. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you do go, please comment below what you thought about it. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.